Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Geode not working in Geometry Dash.
Fix 1. Restart Geometry Dash and PC Step 1. Close Geometry Dash. Step 2. Close Geode. Step 3. Restart your PC. Step 4. Open Geode, then launch Geometry Dash. Fix 2. Check Geometry Dash version. Step 1. Open Geometry Dash. Step 2. Go to Settings Account Version. Step 3. Make sure it matches the Geode supported version. Step 4. Update or downgrade Geometry Dash if needed. Fix 3. Update Geode. Step 1. Open Geode. Step 2. Click Settings/Updates. Step 3. Install the latest Geode version. Step 4. Relaunch Geometry Dash. Fix 4. Run Geode as administrator. Step 1. Right-click Geode. Exe. Step 2. Click Run as administrator. Step 3. Launch Geometry Dash.